everyone, today we are diving into a fascinating topic, how technology is revolutionizing one of the world's largest gatherings, the Mahakumbh Mela. With the integration of AI, underwater drones and mega infrastructure, this ancient tradition is entering a new era. Let's explore how these advancements are making a difference. To begin, what is the Mahakumbh Mela? It's a massive religious gathering that attracts millions of pilgrims from around the globe. Managing such an event comes with immense challenges: crowd control, sanitation, safety, and ensuring a seamless experience for attendees. Here's where technology comes into play. Let's start with artificial intelligence, AI. AI is transforming how authorities manage logistics and safety at the Mahakumbh. By analyzing real-time data from CCTV cameras, AI-powered systems can monitor crowd density, identify overcrowded areas to prevent stampedes, predict patterns, analyze foot traffic and suggest optimal routes, enhance security, detect unusual activities or abandoned objects. With AI, the authorities can respond swiftly to potential risks, ensuring a safer environment for all. Now let's talk about underwater drones. These cutting-edge devices are being deployed in the holy rivers to monitor water quality, ensure the Ganges and other rivers meet safety standards for pilgrims, detect pollutants, identify sources of contamination in real time, assist in rescue operations. In case of emergencies, drones can locate and assist people in distress. The impact? Cleaner, safer water for millions of devotees performing rituals and immersions. It's a significant step forward in balancing tradition with sustainability. Infrastructure is another game changer. For the Mahakumbh, the government is investing in mega projects such as temporary cities, advanced tent cities equipped with sanitation, power, and Wi-Fi, smart transportation, AI-enabled traffic management systems to reduce congestion, waste management systems, eco-friendly facilities to handle tons of waste generated daily. These developments not only enhance the experience for pilgrims, but also leave behind a blueprint for managing large-scale events worldwide. So what are the benefits of these innovations? Improved safety. AI and drones minimize risks and enhance crowd management. Environmental sustainability. Advanced waste and water management reduce ecological impact. Enhanced pilgrim experience. Smart infrastructure provides comfort and convenience. Global recognition. Showcasing the event as a tech-savvy, spiritual gathering attracts international attention. But there are challenges too. High costs. Implementing advanced technologies requires significant investment. Technical glitches. Reliance on tech can lead to problems if systems fail. Privacy concerns. Extensive monitoring may raise questions about data security. Inclusivity. Ensuring that tech benefits reach all attendees, including those unfamiliar with it, is crucial. Looking to the future, the possibilities are endless. AI-driven personalization, mobile apps that provide personalized schedules and routes for pilgrims, drone swarms, coordinated drones for enhanced surveillance and disaster management, green energy solutions, solar-powered facilities to make the event carbon neutral, virtual reality experiences, allowing people worldwide to participate in the Mahakumbh digitally. In conclusion, the integration of AI, underwater drones, and mega infrastructure is not just modernizing the Mahakumbh Mela, it's setting a benchmark for managing large-scale events globally. Tradition and technology are working hand in hand to create a safer, more sustainable, and inclusive experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of the Mahakumbh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology is reshaping the world. See you in the next video.